How about pain? Can you rate the pain from 1 as the lowest and 10 as the highest?
Unbearable.
Mom, please help my mom.
Stable. Stop na.
Good morning, darling. How are you? How are you today? Good morning, Mom. How are you today? This is Alaya. How are you today? Did you take your medication this morning? Did you take the medication this morning? Yes, Mom. I guess she already did. So I wonder why it's not working for you this time. Okay. Let's just discontinue for this time only. Let's just discontinue your MFA as soon as possible. I need the results early this afternoon so that I can change the pain reliever. So this is request for total abdominal ultrasound. Okay. Thank you, Doc. Please take good care of my mom. I will. Bye, Doc. Bye. Thank you.
Patient undergone series of laboratory tests. Patient X is diagnosed already with heart enlargement, or that is known as cardiomegaly, kidney dysfunction, anemia, and discovered on her ultrasound that patient has something wrong with her cervix. Patient X did not receive any medications because of her kidney problem. Patient was advised to have dialysis but refused. After a day of admission, patient X undergone biopsy. It was to find out that patient has already cervical cancer stage 3B. Patient was given 10 days to 2 weeks to live if she don't undergo medical intervention after she was diagnosed with cervical cancer stage 3B. Since patient don't want to undergo operation, chemotherapy, and hemodialysis, patient is only receiving pain reliever of morphine tablets for severe pain.